Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called PinchME, and maybe you're wondering, is this a legitimate website? Can you actually get free products and rewards from this website, or is it just a fake site, right? Let's check it all out. Let's find out if this is a good way for you to get some free stuff, maybe earn some rewards, all right, and generate some income that way, all right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link all the way at the bottom. I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some are so-so. A lot of them, though, are big waste of time. So let's check out PinchME to find out whether this is a good use of your time or is it a waste of time, all right? Now, PinchME is actually a free product and sampling website. It's only based in the US, so if you're not based in the US, unfortunately, you can't get free products from this website and you can't use it. But don't worry, stick around till the end of this video. If you're not based in the US, I'll show you some other cool ways to generate some income, okay? Now, PinchME has been around for quite a few years, and the way it works is very simple. You just sign up with the website. You must fill out your profile because they have to find out more information about you so they can match you to the right products, okay? Then you apply for multiple products at once, okay, when they're available. You will get them in the mail, and what you can do is you can share feedback and write reviews, and once you do that, you will earn PinchME coins, okay, that will actually allow you to redeem some other free stuff on their website, all right? Now, let's talk about some of the stuff that you can get. A lot of the things, honestly, on PinchME are things like dog food, drinks, cleaning products, sunscreen, cosmetics, things like that. So if you're interested in those type of products, then PinchME might be pretty cool, all right? Now, here is the funny thing, though, about PinchME. When it was first launched, they were really good. So it was straight up free stuff. You just sign up for it. You would get a box in the mail, and then you could review it, and then you can get PinchME coins and get even more stuff, all right? But the problem now is that over the years, it's changed, okay? So it's not as good as it was before. So currently, they have some free product, but a lot of the time you're going to miss out on the free product because they have very limited supply. Most of the stuff now, they're offers, all right? So you have to jump through a few hoops, you have to complete a few questionnaires, a few surveys, and then some of them have hidden charges. So just be very careful before you sign up for the actual offers, right? So some of them, there will be a free trial, and then after the free trial, you have to pay a subscription for it, right? Some of them have actually additional shipping costs before they send it to you. So again, it's not as good as it was before, but they release free products every Tuesday at the start of every month, right? First Tuesday of every month. So if you get there in time, you might be able to get some free products from them still till today, if you're lucky, okay? But the problem is that their shipping takes a long time. It's not like Amazon Prime where it arrives the next day, right? Or the same day. It takes weeks and months for you to receive the product, which is very slow, okay? So again, it just depends on how much you really want free products, okay? And again, it's it's things like dog food, drinks, some food, cleaning products, and sunscreen and things like that, okay? So again, it's one of those things where it's changed over time, and it's just not as good as it was before, right? Now, what can you actually redeem when you make the PinchME coins, right? So if you do get products after a few weeks or a few months, and you do the reviews and you share feedback, you will earn some coins, but the things that you can actually redeem, they're not so great. You know, they're things like back scratches, scratch-on tattoos, really little things like that, like a body glitter, for example, right? They don't actually give you any cash, all right? So there are other ways, I think, where it's a lot easier for you to generate some real income. This is literally just free product, and the products are not even that great to redeem with the PinchME coins, and a lot of them are offers now, so they're not really free, and the free ones, they're very limited. So I think there's, it's not so great anymore. Previously, when they first started, it was pretty cool, but not so much anymore. So, I've come to Reddit, okay, just to show you, because these guys, this is real reviews. Sometimes if you go to Trustpilot, unfortunately, they can be manufactured and they're not real, right? But with this, what's actually going on, right? So PinchME, this is what some people have said, right? PinchME isn't so much a scam, it just sucks now, okay? Pretty upset because before they reformatted, I had a couple of good samples in my orders, right? But now Really difficult. I used to consistently get boxes of good samples from PinchME where all I had to do was show up, choose my samples, and that's it. But it's gone totally downhill. You can still sometimes get samples, but I wouldn't say they're totally a scam. But the site is a mess and is geared so much towards getting you to sign up for outside offers and services. So they've really changed their business model. Instead of really giving you free stuff to review, they're really trying to get you to sign up for things, sign up for trials, sign up for other subscriptions and stuff like that, right? So just be careful, okay? It used to feel like they were about getting people to try new products, but now it's just making a profit off people and giving them very little in return. The vibe is awful. I just avoid it, okay? So that's what a lot of people are saying, just to give you an example. And so I would say that PinchMe's okay, you can still get some free stuff. You might have to sign up for a few offers here and there, right? But again, the overall thing about it is it's kind of changed, right? You're not really getting free samples. The PinchMe coins don't really get you any really good products. So I would say that if you're here just to get free stuff, then this is probably not the way to do it. You still could get some stuff, but it's not as good as it was before, and you're not really making any money. You're not generating any real rewards from this website. There are a lot of other websites out there where you can really generate real money and make rewards, okay? So for example, one of them is called Inbox Dollars. Let me just show you this right here. This is something where, look, if you're going to spend a little bit of time, you may as well earn some money from it, right? So you can take surveys, you can shop, you can get some free cash offers. Here are some other ones, okay, that you can also check out, which are really good, by the way. I've tested all of these. Swagbucks is very good quality. Pay is also very good quality. Ysense is also very good quality. So these are more make money online websites, okay? If you spend a little bit of time on these websites, you can fill out surveys, you can download offers, you can play games, things like that. You can generate a few dollars every single hour, right? Depending on how much effort you put in. So at least that way you're generating some rewards. But again, it just depends on what you're trying to do here. So free products, maybe. A lot of them are offers now, so not so great. But if you want to spend a bit more time, these kind of websites, Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, Pay, Ysense, all very good for you, to generate some income. Not a huge amount, but at least you're getting more rewards than PinchMe, for example, okay? Hope you enjoyed this review of PinchMe. If you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big income online. Now on this channel, I've reviewed so many different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Out of all the good strategies, there's one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I actually make multiple 5 figures a month from this exact strategy. If you want to check it out, do it from home. Maybe you're a beginner. I think it's great for anyone that's trying to generate additional income online. I've got a free masterclass you can check out. It's all the way at the bottom at the link. Wish you all the best. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.